So inequality, you want more question?
No, no, sir.
Okay. So two things I have to explain in inequality, beta. Suppose something is given. Uh, hmm, See here. Uh, Here something given x is less than 3 means x cannot be more than 3 anyhow. Okay. We are discussing regard real number or real number or for real number. Real number. Real number, it is a combined form of rational and irrational number. Okay.
Yes,
We can say it is a union of rational and irrational number both. Okay. So there is a, I'm going to explain you two type of bracket. Okay. One is square bracket in math and another is open bracket. Up to now, you had used these different method, different bracket to use in board mass. Are you familiar with this bracket? Board mass rule, board
yes, sir.
mass, board mass rule in arithmetic calculation, but in equality it have different meaning. Okay, uh,
Yes, sir.
suppose that two number are there. I'm talking about that. I will teach. Suppose that I'm talking something is less than 2 is less than 5 means the number x what I am taking, it is real number. It may be rational, may be irrational. Okay, and it is more than 2 but not equal to 2. Here x does not equal to 2. It is more than 2. It is more than 2. X is more than 2 and less than 5. X does not equal to 5. It means these points are called boundary point. This and this point called boundary point. Okay. So X belongs here 2 to 5. Open interval. We read it as a open interval. Parenthesis means open interval. What we read? Open interval.
Open and
Okay, bete? And whenever here equal sign is also there. Okay. Now equal is below there, so it means x equal 2 possible and x equal 5 also possible. So we write it x belongs close interval 2 to 5. Got it? And this is called close interval. What is called it? Close
close interval.
interval. Okay. So close interval means uh, uh, square bracket and open interval means parenthesis bracket. And what is meaning of these bracket? Close bracket means uh, here boundary point are involved. Okay. Boundary point are involved. And open bracket means boundary point are not involved. So there are four kind of bracket. Okay, how many kind of bracket are there? Four kind of
Four.
like This is a close interval. This is open interval. It is closed from left but open from right. Okay. And one more is there. Open from left and close from right. Okay. So these type of four bracket are there. One word use semi. Semi means half. Semi means in math semi means half. So this is close bracket. This is open bracket. This is semi-closed and semi-open. What is called this bracket?
Semi-closed and
Semi-closed and semi-open. Okay. And what it will call? Can you tell? This will called semi-open. What is first? That will read first. Okay. Semi-open, semi-open and semi-closed. Semi, got it?
yes,
Now,
sir.
I'm going to write these as a graph. Okay. Now see. Uh, Suppose I'm writing 2, 5. Same number I'm taking. Then how we will write? 2 is less than or equal to x. X is less than or equal to 5. Okay. Suppose if we write 2 comma 5, then we can write 2 is less than x and x is less than 5. Or we can read x is more than 2 and less than 5. And when we write like this, 2 comma 5 open, semi close, semi open. Okay. So here 2 less than or equal x, x is less than 5. Got it? And last one, 2 comma 5 semi open close. So we write 2 is less than x less than or equal to 5. So I hope that you understood meaning of all four interval.
Yes,
Whenever it close boundary point, these are called boundary point. Okay, 2 and 5. These are called boundary point. Whenever it open, then boundary point not taken. It has ignored, eliminated. Okay, means we leave the boundary point. And whenever it is closed, we include boundary point. We involve boundary point. Okay, means we can start from boundary point. Now coming to the graph for this, how to draw on number line. Graph means drawing on number line. Okay. Now we are going to draw a number line. What we are going to draw?
number line.
Suppose this is a line. Okay. Suppose this is a line, our number line. Okay. And first of all, on number line goes from minus infinity minus infinity to plus infinity. But this symbol is called infinity. What is called it?
Infinity.
Uh, Infinity. Infinity is something where we cannot reach. Okay? Infinity in
Yes, sir.
mathematics, infinity is not real number. It is a sense of number, very large, which cannot be achievable, which cannot reach. So infinity is something number which we cannot reach. Got it? So real number can be written as like that. Real number, real number can be written as open interval minus infinity to infinity. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And now some interval AB is there. I'm going to plot each interval. Suppose first of all I'm going to plot each interval AB. Hmm. Close interval AB. A and B are some number. Like that in previous case, I had taken 2 comma 5. Okay. So first of all, our number line somewhere 0 is there. Okay. 0 is called origin or starting point. Okay. And what we use actually, uh, see, suppose I'm taking 2 and 5 only same, so number is then it is clear. Okay, so what we use dot point at the boundary. It is 2, it is 5. Means from 0 2 centimeter and from 0 5 centimeter. Got it? And what we do further, we will shade it. What we will do? We will color it full like this. This is called closed interval representation. Okay. And whenever open interval, so 0 is there, and we are going to represent 2 comma 5. Okay. So since boundary points are not involved, okay, boundary point are not involved, then we put a circle, hollow circle, okay, on the graph. Got it? So here and in between there, we will set it. Okay, here 2 is there, here 5 is there. Hope that it is clear. When boundary points are involved, when we put thick dot, here thick dot is used. Okay, and when boundary point not involved, open interval, then we put a hollow circle. Got it?
Yes, sir.
It is like a representation of interval on number line. Okay. So solution uh, represented on number line. Okay. Any doubt, beta? Hello.
No, sir.
So,
Sir, can you show an example for the graph?
I'm trying to get question. See, one inequality worksheet I have sent at WhatsApp. Look this.
Yes, sir.
Just I sent. Hmm. So here question are there. Question are there, but I think question is not in real number. Okay. If it is in your book, then I can find it. Whole number, integer, only solution are there. Okay. Interval I told you, but I think question is not there. See this question, one question I got from your exercise. I want to explain that one. Okay, it is in a real number. Okay, X represent the set of real number. So example number 9, I am going to do beta. Okay, what we are going to do? Before that,
Example.
example number 8, we should solve. There is 5x minus 12 is less than 13. Okay. So we have to write the solution set. Okay. What we have to write? Solution set.
Solution sets.
Okay. So see, solution set, how many ways we can write? We can write on graph, we can write as a set form, as a interval form, okay, as a inequality form. So this is our question. So can you solve this question?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, how will you solve? You do on board. Okay, I hope you got answer. X is less than 5. Not greater. Greater, why will you use? Neither you are multiplying with negative sign nor you doing reciprocal. So it will be less than 5. Okay. So first interval, first alarm x is less than 5. Less than 5 means suppose it is real number. Okay. See, number line how we are going to
Yes,
plot.
sir.
It is real number. Okay. First understand on the real number. Somewhere 0 is there and it is 5 centimeter and it is minus infinity. More than 5 is this side. This side is more than 5 and less than 5 is this side. This side is less than 5. Less than 5. You know, on number line, numbers are present in left are lesser and number are present in right are greater. Okay. So less than this side and more than this side. More than this side. So we need less than. And here equal sign is not there. So we put a bubble and we color it thick. Okay. So like that. This blue color shows you. And when you represent as an interval, then how you will represent? X belongs minus infinity to minus infinity to 5. Open interval. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, so the same thing
Yes,
can be
sir.
written as a set x such that x such that x is less than 5. This much also enough. This is set, this is interval, and this is number line representation. Got it? So solution can be written in three different ways. One is as a interval, as a set. This colon two dot is called such that in math. And we read here x such that x such that x is less than 5. Got it? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
No,
Okay, all right. So one more question there. We will solve it on number line, real number. 1 minus 1, 2x by 3 plus 1. Minus 1 is less than 2x by 3 plus 1 and which is less than 5, less than or equal to 5, less than or equal to 5. So, will you able to solve this inequality? X belongs to real number. Given that where belong X? X belongs in real number. Got it?
yes,
Hello.
sir.
So, how will you solve? I said that change into two question it is from left and from right. First question minus 1 less than 2x by 3 plus 1. It is from left and 2x by 3 plus 1 is less than or equal to 5. Okay. So will you able
Yes,
to solve here?
yes,
Do yourself. No, no, no. Wait. I will tell you. Mm, Wait. See, actually, you are cancelling minus 1 and 1 from both side. It will not get cancelled, okay? It will only transpose. So in the left, there is minus 1 there. And this right side one goes to the left, then it also become minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1, and which will be less than or equal to 2x by 3. Got it?
Yes.
Now it become minus 2 less than 2x by 3. Clear?
Yes.
In next step, 3 will multiply in left. So minus 2 into 3, which is less than 2x. Okay? So minus 6 is less than 2x. In next step, what we'll do? In next step, 2 will divide in left. What will do? 2 will divide in left. Minus 6 by 2, which is less than x. Means minus 6 by 2, how much become? Minus 3. Minus 3 is less than x. So left part is solved. Now right part solving. Okay. Now right part solving. How we will solve right part? Similar way. 2x plus by 3. This plus 1. This plus 1 bring it to the right. Then it become minus. Okay. So 5 minus 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now 2x upon 3 is less than or equal to 4. Okay. Now 2x is less than or equal to 4 multiply 3. This denominator 3, when go in right, it will multiply. Okay. So 2x is less than or equal to 12. Okay. Now this 2 will 2 from left to goes right, then it will divide. X is less than or equal to 12 by 2. Means x is less than or equal to 6. So what we are looking, how we can read this inequality? We can read minus 3 less than x, or we can read x is greater than minus 3. So combining both inequality, writing together, we write minus 3 is less than x and x is less than or equal to 6. You got it? This is our final solution.
Yes, sir.
And how can you write in interval? Can you tell interval? This is inequality form. Interval, can you tell how we will write interval? But a interval we can write open interval minus 3 because equal sign is not in left, comma 6 closed. Okay, this is the solution set. You got?
Yes, sir.
And how will you represent on number line, bete? On number line, you draw a number line, okay, which is plus infinity to minus infinity. Okay, somewhere 0 will be there, and from left 0, 0 to going left means negative 3, and moving to the right, then plus 6. Now at the 0, there is at the minus 3 I circle because it is not equal sign. But at the 3, at the 6, there is a dot point. Okay. And we will color it by different color. Okay. So from here, see, This red color, it is leaving -3 and reaching to 6. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So today's lecture, up to here, I hope that you understood. Any doubt, then tell.
No, sir.
And the one worksheet I had sent to you from, okay, one worksheet I had sent to you on WhatsApp. You solve that, and remaining
Yes, sir.
exercise if there, then send me photo. Okay, exercise. Up to here, one
Yes,
word
sir.
problem is there, and next exercise you send me photo. Then tomorrow we will do, and tomorrow we will start next chapter also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope that linear equation and inequality you understood. And some more
Yes, sir.
work, homework I will assign later. Okay. First
Yes,
you
sir.
complete that inequality assignment. Then I will assign you other homework. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anything you have to ask, beta?
No, sir.
Okay. So we can end the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, beta.